Hey guys, we're talking about abbreviations today. You're going to watch this super short video of me and then go on to a YouTube video that I found, and it's also only 3 minutes. So today's videos will be pretty short for reading. Abbreviations just means to make something smaller, make a word shorter. So instead of writing all the time, Miss says Cummins, we just say MRS period, because that's a lot less work, right? And it takes up less space and it's just faster. We also do that when we're writing letters to people. So instead of writing Christo Road, we just write Christo RD period. And everyone knows that RD period means road. So same for boulevard. Boulevard, BLVD period. Avenue, AVE period. Lane, LN period. And street, ST period. Abbreviations always have a period at the end, and they just make words shorter. Okay, just go on and watch that other video and then do the worksheet. Okay.